Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. Yes, guys, today is just another day, or I should say night, in the life of a broke Forex trader where I'm simply trying to make my money off of Forex, trying to make money online in 2023. Guys, my December has been busy and now I'm even struggling with my voice. I'm sure you can hear that this is not the usual voice that you used to hear from my channel. So, and again, just a disclaimer, guys, never mind the mess behind me. It was heavily raining today and I still need to tidy up. So I'm not sure if I'm going to take you guys along with me while I'm still tidying up. But yeah, if I have to, then I will do so because content take a content. So it is what it is. So I'm going to look at certain pairs and I will show you. But firstly, I need to tidy up the mess behind me so that I can just work in a bit a tidy space. You know what I mean? So without any further ado, or let me say before I can even go ahead and show you what's happening on my laptop screen on TradingView, let me just tidy up the mess behind me. But before I can even do that, guys, don't forget that I do have a WhatsApp group, which is a $10 challenge. I have a sponsor, remember that. I've been seeing you guys registering with the link in my description, but guys, you don't get to verify your documents. Remember that you cannot join the $10 challenge without you verifying the document and without you having to deposit a minimum of $10. So I will talk more about that in the video on my laptop screen, and I want to show you how the platform works in detail, basically. So I want to show you how you can trade crypto, or rather I will talk about how the platform works and how you can go about trading cryptocurrencies if you would like to trade cryptocurrencies. And I'll also show you how the platform works, which is the HC Trader, and I will also talk about how you can do copy trading, how you can just simply replicate the strategies that you see in the platform. So without any further ado, let's go right ahead and let's tidy up the mess behind me. Cheers.
A few moments later.
Voila. So I'm done, guys. This is it. It's better than it was before. So yeah, now let's get right into the video. Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On the flip side, on my phone screen and laptop screen. So before I can go any further with this video, so let me firstly start by telling you guys about the $10 challenge group that I'm currently having. So like I said, that I'm running a competition with a broker, international broker, which is reliable, by the name of Fibo Group. So if you want to embark on that challenge, you need to open an account using the link in my video's description. Then you can verify. You need to also verify your details. Your documents needs to be in order. Then once that is done, you can deposit a minimum of $10. And then once that is done as well, then you need to hit me up on my WhatsApp number, which is +27634971886. Then from there, I will add you into my $10 challenge group, which is this group. I want to show you guys what's happening there. So I'm currently having about 2 members which has just joined. So let me just show you quickly what it looks like. So at the top there, that's my Vodacom number. Then it is followed by Tisana Wealth Community Group, which is a community group for traders where we share about signals and trading analysis and everything. So this one is free of charge. So then now the third one is $10 challenge. As you can see there, it is the challenge that I am talking about. You need to deposit a minimum of $10 in order for you to be in this group. So let me just open it. So the people that are in this group currently had just paid, or rather had just opened their accounts, and they made a deposit, so we will start trading, and I will start sharing signals to them each and every single trading day, and I will just keep you guys posted with that regard. So if you would like to be part of this group, you need to just hit the link on my video's description, register with that link, verify your documents, deposit a minimum of $10, hit me up on my WhatsApp number, then I will put you in this challenge. So you might be wondering, what is it that we're going to win? So what is up for grab in this challenge is whoever that trade that $10 to $100 first, then I'm going to top that $100 with another $100 to make it $200. Then you can withdraw it, or you can simply continue trading that $200. So it's that simple. So that's what I wanted to show you guys here on my phone screen with regards to what I have on my $10 challenge. So I wanted to just give you actually the insights of the $10 challenge. So we're currently having 2 members, and we are still looking to get more. So right, now that we got that out of the way, we are currently on my laptop screen. As you can visibly see, we're currently having AUDNZD on daily time frame. So this is what we're going to be analyzing. But firstly, I would like to tell you guys about Fibo Group's C Trader. So with Fibo Group, you can also trade cryptocurrencies. So you can trade your Bitcoin USD, your LTC, your Ethereum. You can basically go on the platform and trade all of those things. So this is what the platform looks like. As you can see, if you want to download MetaTrader 4 on your PC, you can just come here and you will get it. So firstly, you will need to register your account, obviously with my link in the description. So then from there you will have login details. You will then have to verify your documents. Then if you want to trade straight from your laptop, then you can just simply come and log in. Then you will download your MetaTrader 4 for Windows. Then if you are using a Mac, then you can just click here. And if you are using an Android, you can click here. And if you're using any other browser, you can click here. And again, you can click there for an alternative. So then same as MetaTrader 5. So this is the platform that I want to share with you guys, the C Trader. So if you would like to download it, you can just simply do so like you did with a MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5. So you can download for Windows, Mac, Android, other browsers, So then the most important thing that I want to talk about here is, I know trading is can be hard, actually can be hard for some people, and I know analyzing can be so extremely hard for other people, especially if you are still a beginner. But then with this platform, everything has been simplified. So if you would like to copy some trades from experts, from other traders, from experienced traders, like I would say myself, but I wouldn't actually put myself into that bigger bracket, but I will just, if you get what I mean. But if you are still a beginner and you would like to copy some of the expert trades, then you can just simply come here under C Trader. Then down there you can press on C Trader copy trade. So where it says C Trader copy download for Windows, then you can just click on it and it will take you here. So once you did that, once you clicked on that, it will take you in this on this page. It will actually open a new page, then it will take you here. So once you're in here, you need to also register your account in here. So once everything is done, you're going to come here and log in, and you will put your credentials there. Once everything is done and you have deposited the amount, whatever amount that you want to trade, you can just simply come and click on start copy trading. Once everything is done, so it pops out this page because I haven't logged in as yet. I'm just demonstrating basically. So firstly, you will need to deposit an amount. I'm not sure how much you would like to start with, but you can still start with $10. Then you can embark on the challenge and you can copy trades from expert. It's that simple, guys. If you are worried about signals being delivered late, or if you are worried about how am I going to analyze, if you don't know about a certain thing, if you're not sure about your analysis, if you don't trust in your analysis, if you are maybe weak in following your trading plan, then you can just simply deposit that amount of $10, then come in here, register account in copy trading. Then from there you will just evaluate or monitor or just analyze how these people do their things, and you will see their standing. Then if you feel comfortable copying a certain trader's trade, then you can do so. For example, let me just use this Waka Waka All. When you're looking at her, where you can see that it says live there, then it says all-time ROI, then it shows plus $4,129, and it's 43%. So if you would like to copy this person's trade, you can just simply come and press on start copying, then it will automatically copy whatever trades that she is taking or that she will be taking. It's that simple, guys. So this is what I actually wanted to talk about using Fibo Group, which is a reliable broker, an international reliable broker, which is also regulated. So you don't have to worry about security, you don't have to worry about your money. Everything is under control and your money is safe within this broker. And another thing is you can simply trade cryptocurrencies if you would like to. Then now that I got that out of the way, let's get right into the analysis, which is BOD, business of the day. So like I said, we are currently on a daily time frame here on NZD, I mean AUDNZD. Right. So okay, what's going on? I'm not sure what's going on here. Okay, this is extension. Okay, I don't know what I did here, but yeah, let's just continue. This is AUDNZD, and it's currently on a daily time frame. So firstly, on daily time frame, what we want to see happening is we want to establish market structure, right? So once we got market structure, we're going to move to 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame, we're still going to confirm our market structure, and we are going to pinpoint our point of interest there. So our point of interest can come in 3 ways. So the first way can be in a way of a high, it can be in a way of a low, it can also be in a way of order block. So normally we use order blocks in this channel. So if we do happen to come across a way of high or low, I will still demonstrate everything and I will still explain everything to your understanding. But for now, we're going to focus on order block. If we get to 4-hour time frame and we find that we need to use an order block, because we can't just use an order block because for the sake of using it on this channel. But then if we have something to work on or to work with regards to highs and lows, then we will take that. And if there isn't any order block, there is nothing that we can do. We cannot use an order block that is not even there, if I'm making sense. So let's begin. We need to follow price action in order for us to see where the market is going. Remember, you don't have to take my word for it. You have to follow price action religiously so that you can have a better understanding of where the market is going. So firstly, I'm going to focus on this price here. So let me just put this vertical line here. So the price on the right hand side of this vertical line, that's where I'm going to focus, to put my focus on basically. So when you're having a look at it, you can see that this is a ranging market, right? We are currently ranging, but then we can still benefit, or we can still get something from it. We can still capitalize from a ranging market, but we need to, or you need to be smart about it. You don't just have to jump right in. You need to be smart about it. You need to be extra vigilant. You need to be extra careful when doing it. So we are currently ranging, meaning that there isn't any direction that we can just say, okay, we are going to the upside or to the downside. So firstly, what I want to see is I want to denote the highs and the lows. Let me just connect these things here. So according to this first touch here and the second touch here on daily time frame, it shows that it is going to the downside, but then I'm expecting it to further come to this level here for a third touch if you know Falcon. Because here we just mix everything, as long as at the end of the day it is simple to follow and then it makes sense. So we don't do anything that doesn't make sense. So it's SMC, ICT, retail trading, Falcon. As long as it makes sense and it's simple, we work with it. So currently we do have a trend line, so we connected only two highs, and we want to see a third touch happening here. But I can't just say we want to see a third touch happening there without actually having to denote the trend line at the bottom there to see what's happening. So let's just do that. We can just do it like this. So we can basically see here on this ranging market that we are expecting the price to go to the upside. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see if price makes sense there. If it doesn't make sense, then we just move along and we move to find another pair. I'm just waiting for network here to cover everything up so that we can understand our market, because when it's like that we won't know exactly where the market is going. So as you can see, it's ranging and it's promising. So we're going to follow price action. Let's follow price action from up there. So this was a high, this was a high, and this was a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, meaning that we are going to the downside at the moment, and we failed to have a lower low. We failed to break this level here, so therefore we have a higher low. Then we have a lower high because we also failed to break this level. So meaning that on 4-hour time frame we are ranging from these levels, or we are ranging between these levels. We are bouncing up and down within this level. So this is what's happening on 4-hour time frame. But let me just go back to daily time frame. I want to show you guys something that I actually forgot. I want to show you something. All right, so we are now on daily time frame. See, so price tapped here, it tapped here, it tapped here. So I want to see if price engulfed each and every single time when it tapped on this trend line. So I will consider this a tap. It is not 100% one, but I will consider it. So it tapped, and we have a downgoing candle and this upgoing candle, which was a long upgoing candle left and a fair value gap here, and it engulfed this one. Yes, so now it engulfed. So let's see the second touch. We have 1 2 3. Yes, it was engulfed. Then now the third touch, 1 2, it engulfed. Yes, and also this one engulfed. So now we can see that each and every single time when price touch the trend line, before we can certainly say it is going to the upside or to the downside, we need to see an engulfing towards that direction. So in this case we are looking at an upward direction because we are still expecting to see a third touch here. Right, so price engulfed to the upside. So on 4 hours we want to see a change of character or a break of structure to the upside. Right, I know this might be confusing, but please, if you do not understand, leave me a comment in the comment section down below, or you can just watch this video over and over again until you get a gist of it. So we're going to move to 4-hour time frame. Like I said, on 4-hour time frame we're ranging between this level and this level, denoted by a blue horizontal ray. So we had a engulfing on daily time frame, which had just bounced from this trend line there. So like I said, we want to see a break of structure to the upside or change of character to the upside before we can just confidently say that we are going to go to the upside up until this point. Hope I'm making sense, guys. If I don't make sense, just hit me up. I will always reply, you know. So let's follow price action here on for our time frame. So this was a high, and I will just say this is low, the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and it failed to break this level. Then now we have a higher low here. Then price broke the structure to the upside, which actually changed character to the upside, as you can see. So we are now confirming that we broke a structure to the upside here on 4-hour time frame, so meaning that we are going to the upside within this ranging market. Hope I'm making sense, guys. So I'm just going to denote it so that it is clear and we don't get confused. So let me just use my trend line. So this is a break of structure to the upside, break of structure to the upside. And now remember that we want to see a order block. So when price was breaking this structure to the upside, it has left an order block. So which is the order block that was left before price could violate this level? So it is obviously this one, and it is very much clear. So this is the clear order block that price had left when it was going to break that structure up there before it can, or rather before it could put this higher high here. So this is the order block that we're going to use. So what we want to see price doing here is we want to see price going to the downside, tapping into this order block. Then we're going to move to 15 minutes time frame. Then when we get to 15 minutes time frame, we want to see price doing something of this nature, then changing character, then taking us in, then up we go. This is what we expect to see happening when we get to 15-minute time frame. So at the moment, there's nothing we can do. This is just a waiting game. There's nothing we can do right now on AUDNZD. So we just need to wait and observe what is going on here on this pair. So I don't think there's anything else that I need to actually, guys, tell you about. So I'm just going to leave the video here. I hope it makes sense, and if it didn't make sense, I'm always available in the chat box. You can just hit me up and comment, or you can also join our community group. So if you don't want to join the community group, you can always join the $10 challenge. And like I said, you don't have to rely on signals, you don't have to rely on your own analysis. You can still go and do copy trading on the Fibo Group platform via Trader. So it has been your boy, guys, Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.